Okay, how much slop is too much slop? So these are square, so there's no key, so I can't imagine they can really wear out that much, but is that too much? I mean, that's a lot of rocking. I think that wear out eventually. This one seems pretty good. So this guy, I'm assuming right in here is a little clip. It's all greasy, I can't really tell. I'm gonna stick my finger in there right this second. Is that excessive? Maybe. There's probably another clip in there under all the gunk, because on the other side, I'm assuming this clip is missing, because you're not supposed to be able to do this. Yeah, that's not good. So the inner clip is there. I can see it. You can actually see it too. It's very small. And that keeps it from going too far out that way. But there doesn't seem to be any in the inside of this that stops it from going too far that way. Where's my... So, sorry, this is not ideal conditions in here. Vision-wise, it's nighttime too. I don't feel a track that's supposed to be in, that clip. Maybe you have to pull this out further, but no, I doubt it, because I'm kind of right up against the back of the other one. Do I just need to pull it out further than this? My other question was, I took the big castle nut off. Do these just... So that's the keyway, I'm thinking, right? Does this hub just pull out? Because if so, do I just need a hammer to do that? Also, looking at this with the grease removed, this appears to be square, which is good. I thought this was a keyed one. So that means these are square on both sides. You can kind of see, you really can't see it in the video, but no, you can. See that flat surface in there? So this is square on the inside, and I should say outside and inside. So that's good. That's what we want, right? Because that's stronger than the old keyed versions of these. This one has all sorts of flex here. I don't know if you can see that. See the little plus or whatever you call the inside of those joints moving back and forth? I think this guy's toast. Can I remove this part by taking these clips out, I wonder, and then replacing this thing if these pieces are still good? Because I believe from the manual it says you can't remove the whole assembly without taking all of this off, and I really don't want to do that. Not in 17-degree winter cold and busting knuckles. Alright, so I'm going to post this video and see what you guys think. It's funny, this one almost feels stiffer than the other. There's less, well, there's some wobble back there, but not as much as on the other side back here. But this needs to be fixed. This needs to have its pin put in or wherever the heck it belongs. Okay, I found it. It's there. It was buried. Let's see if you can see it. See that? Right there. There's the groove. Okay, so this guy is just missing his clip. If anyone knows what part number that is, what size I need, so I don't have to yank one off the other side to then bring it into a hardware store. I'd much rather just get it and put it on. Please let me know. That'd be great. Also, really interesting. So this one, double square, square on square. But on the other side, I was cleaning away to make sure that there was a track and there was indeed a clip on there. There is. So I found both clips and I put them at the top. You probably can't see this in the video, but they're at the high spots. But this is round. This guy's round. He's square here and round here. So this is the older style stub axle. So that's interesting. That means that at some point one side broke. I'm assuming it was the other side that broke and they replaced it with the newer square style. So they also replaced it with a newer square style joint. Yeah, that's interesting. I'll have to see what the other ones look like. I know this wheel like, it's all sorts of, like, it goes back and forth like crazy. Or it was the other side. It's very loose. That's interesting. You can actually see the inner axle sticks way out on this one, but not too far. That's fine, I think. One more thing while I have the wheels off. You can actually see these billet spacers more. They're 2 inches wide, and they greatly reduce this tire rubbing. You get a lot more throw on your steering, so it's a good upgrade. And if you go on eBay, you can find these for really cheap. There's a little brochure for them. This is actually my father's Coot, and he's the one that found these for really cheap online. He just bid down the guy or whatever. He was a seller, and he said, "Yeah, can I have these for like 20 bucks for four for $20 shipped?" So he did really good on that. So if you guys need a little bit more radius and you got wide tires like I do on this machine, it's a good idea. Just makes it a little harder to steer since you got more leverage.